Welcome to my channel. Let's Learn. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to install and use TCPDUMP on your Linux operating system. To install TCPDUMP on your OS, just use dnf install TCPDUMP command. Your OS will search for the package and ask your permission to install it. Once completed, it will show you details. To use TCPDUMP, just use the command sudo TCPDUMP. Then your OS will start capturing all in and out traffic from your network. To capture traffic particularly for a network, for example 172.16.200.0/24, you can use the command as below. You can also replace this with a host IP address also. If you want to capture traffic excluding a particular network, you can use command as given below.